The topic of today's video is how to apply for Webull Options Trading Level 3. Now, please keep in mind that this is in no way any type of financial advice. This video serves mostly as a guide, and any financial decisions you make are unfortunately on you. Now, when we're talking about Options Trading Level 3, we need to know what the requirements are before we do anything. You need to be on a margin account. Now, this isn't available for me, but for you it might be depending on where you're located. So, level 3 only available on margin, not on cash accounts. You need a minimum of $2,000 account equity, so that can be stock or cash or a mixture of both. Then we get to trading experience and risk tolerance. Now, you'll need to answer a few questions, and I'll show you what the form looks like in a few. You need to be at least 21 years old. It depends though on your region specifics. Alright, so here I am in the Webull app. And if we click on the center icon here that looks like the Webull logo, on the top right, you'll see this little icon. And inside there, you'll see options trading apply now. Now, once you click on that, they will show you the form. Now, you need to answer this as truthfully as possible, and you can rack up your experience by doing paper trading as well. So keep that in mind. And once you're done with this form, unfortunately, it'll be up to Webull to decide what level of options trading you qualify for. And once you're done with that, unfortunately, it'll be up to Webull to decide what level of options trading you qualify for. So if you don't qualify for level 3 and maybe only level 2, you'll have to just keep growing your experience, keep using the platform, and then try again. Now, once you are approved, you will have access to all level 3 strategies, including credit spreads, debit spreads, butterfly spreads, condors, iron condors, and calendar spreads. And that is all I have for you today. Please keep in mind that this is not any type of financial advice. Any risk that you take doing trading is unfortunately on you. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.